Hey guys, I'm Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, we got the DWi Dowellin. This is the D8, and it's a smart drone. This is courtesy of DWi, so stay tuned. All right, I'm back, guys. Hey, let's take a look inside. We got looks like we got the QR code there for Google Play, and we got the one for iOS app. So it's under HTS-UFO, so you can find that in the Google Play Store. And like I said, you can find it on the iOS systems as well. So you got your little instruction manual, which is pretty small. So you know, it just tells you how to do flips and things like that. So just your basic manual. So we're not going to get into all that. Okay, so I took this out and I charged it. The bad thing is I must have dropped one of these at home, one of the landing gears. So you do have 4 of these, of course, and but I wasn't going to use them anyway. So makes it a little bit lighter, makes it fly a little longer. So you got your basic charger, you got your battery. So it's the 400 milliamp, 3.7 volt. Got 2 spare props, and of course your screwdriver and prop guards. So here you got your controller. Watch out, the knobs come off, so you want to be careful with that. They just pop right back on. I believe this one was 4 AAAs. Okay, and then that's the on button. I'm going to shut it off for a second. I hit it by accident. All right, and this just slides right on, guys. So that way you can put your phone right in there. So it should hold like the 5-inch. So you should be okay on that. So you got your trim buttons, you got your calibration, I believe, or this is your takeoff, calibration, and I'll have to take a look again. I apologize. So let's see. So you got 1 key return, okay, 1 key calibration. So I was right on that one. So calibration is this bottom one. Okay, the top one is 1 key spinning. Okay, and then this one would be headless mode. Headless mode. All right, and then you just got your throttle, of course, and then your speed rate is right here. Okay, this top one, it says rotation, so you know that's flip. Okay, all right, guys. Hey, let's take this for a flight. It's kind of windy, so I don't know how this is going to do. I'm hoping I don't get a flyaway, so let me put the hat cam on, and I'll be right back. Okay, let me try a flip. Sure takes a lot of room to do a flip. Almost like it wanted to fly away. It kind of scared me for a minute here. Let me try forward. Huh. Well, that wasn't too good. It just cut out on that one. The only other bummer I don't like about it is this is open right here. There's nothing to protect the gears from getting anything in it. But on another note, still got that piece of tape stuck on me. Another note is you can at least get to it pretty easy to clean it with a little toothbrush. So I mean, it's kind of got its ups and downs on that one. Let's see if I can hand launch here by just pressing up. Nope, no, it does not want to do that. Hey, it's durable at least though. And it will dig itself in the ground, so you guys are going to have to lift it up a little bit when you're really pitching forward. You can see it dives right down. It's got a pretty good forward pitch there. So see, you got to let up so it can climb a little air there, because it will dig itself right into the ground. Well, it's not too bad of a little quad, you know. It's just a beginner's quad, you know. It's for kids. For indoors, as long as you got a decent amount of room, you know. I wouldn't be in a confined spot, because it takes, you can see when I'm banking, it kind of takes quite a bit of room to get turned around. So see if I get it to land my hand. There we go. Press this button and it landed. So I don't know if I want to try one key return. I'm gonna see if I can hand launch now. It's not picking it up right now. Let me arm it. Yeah, see, I'm blocking the barometer, so it's not wanting to take off. So, all right, I'm gonna try one key return real quick and see what happens. Just for yeah, it's getting windy. No, it doesn't work on that. So I wonder if headless mode works. Oh, that's a spin mode. Oh, check that out. Okay, there's your little stunt here. Hold that. Wow, look out, guys. It'll keep spinning until you hit the toggle switch. That's funny. Yeah, this is definitely a little kid's deal. Alright guys, hey, the DWi, this is the D8. You know, this thing is just not meant for outside. It's too windy. This little bit of breeze that's going on just wants to carry it away. So, you know, the altitude hold, you know, it does work. It's a kind of little bit, I don't know how you want to say it. It just kind of robots, you know. It's like it kind of hangs up, you know. But it could just be because I'm outside and the wind's blowing. You know, indoors I was flying it when I tested the battery out when I first got it, and it did okay indoors. So I do recommend indoors, and it's definitely a beginner quadcopter for kids. So, alright, DWi, thank you so much for sending this to me. Like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.